If you've ever dreamed of owning your own business but thought it required a hefty upfront investment, we've got great news for you. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of buying a business with $0 down, even if you're starting from scratch. Let's get started. The first step is research. You need to find the right business opportunity. Look for industries you're passionate about and that have a demand in your area. Online marketplaces and business brokers are great places to start your search. Networking is key. Connect with industry professionals, attend local business events, and leverage social media. The right connections can open doors to opportunities you might not find on your own. Now, let's talk about financing. Look for sellers willing to offer owner financing. This means they're open to accepting payments over time, which can reduce your initial investment to $0. Consider creative financing options. Think outside the box by looking into seller earnouts, equity partnerships, or using your skills to add value to the business. Before finalizing any deal, conduct due diligence. Thoroughly analyze the business's financials, customer base, and legal aspects to ensure you're making a sound investment. Negotiate the deal. Be confident, but also flexible. Finding the win-win for both you and the seller is crucial. Hire an attorney who specializes in business acquisitions. They'll protect your interests and ensure the deal is legally sound. Once everything is in order, execute the deal. Congratulations, you're a business owner. In summary, buying a business with $0 down is possible with the right strategy and approach. Research, network, and be creative in your financing options. Due diligence, negotiation, legal assistance, and execution are key steps in the process. Remember, you can achieve your dream of business ownership with determination and the right knowledge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business tips. Thank you for watching.